Welcome back to part 2 of our We Brand automation series. If you missed part 1, we covered the basics of automation placeholders and how you can use CSV files to generate personalized content in bulk. Now, let's take a closer look at how to create automation placeholders and how they work with customer profiles. Within We Brand, there are 4 types of automation placeholders you can create: color, image, logo, and text. Each type can be configured using the same source, making setup straightforward and flexible. No matter which placeholder you use, each one comes with built-in stats, so you always know exactly where the asset is used and in which templates. With a single click, you can quickly access every template linked to that placeholder, making updates and management easy. Let's start with a simple example: creating an image placeholder as a free input. A free input means users can enter or upload whatever they want directly in the automation modal when customizing a template. This gives them maximum flexibility to add unique images, adjust colors, or update text to fit their local needs or preferences. Now, let's talk about customer profiles. Customer profile placeholders work much like free input, but with a key difference. They automatically pull a default value from the associated user's profile. That is why your photo, name, or logo might appear in templates by default. These details are coming from your profile, acting as the source for the placeholder. Of course, users still have the freedom to update those values at any time, making it easy to personalize content while keeping everything on brand. In the next video, we'll dive into brand asset setup and explain how We Brand keeps your brand assets secure and properly managed using folder-based access.